In today's video, we're diving into a startling fact. About 1/3 of murders in North America are linked to infidelity. It's a shocking revelation that challenges our perception of modern civilized society. Daly and Wilson's 1982 study analyzed thousands of murders. They found infidelity often triggers these tragic events. This statistic shatters the myth of humans being entirely evolved from primal instincts. The study by Daly and Wilson is a cornerstone in understanding human behavior. It delves deep into our evolutionary past. Their findings suggest that jealousy and betrayal can lead to extreme, even violent responses. This reflects a darker side of human nature. It's a side often masked by the veneer of civilization and societal norms. Infidelity is a complex and emotionally charged topic. It's intertwined with feelings of betrayal, jealousy, and wounded pride. These emotions can sometimes overpower rational thought. Daly and Wilson's research suggests that in some individuals, this can lead to devastating consequences. Their work highlights the importance of understanding our primal instincts. It also underscores the need for managing emotions in healthy ways. This research opens up many questions about society, psychology, and human evolution. How much of our behavior is influenced by primal instincts? Are we just a step away from our evolutionary past? Daly and Wilson's study doesn't just provide statistics. It offers a window into the human psyche. It shows how deeply ingrained emotions can impact our actions. Understanding these dynamics is crucial. It's vital for personal growth and healthy relationships. It's also essential for societal harmony. Recognizing the power of emotions like jealousy can help in managing them better. It also sheds light on the importance of fidelity and trust in relationships. This topic isn't just about shocking statistics. It's about understanding ourselves better. It's about learning from our evolutionary past to build a more conscious future. Daly and Wilson's study is a reminder. It shows that while we have come far, our primal instincts still play a role in our lives. In conclusion, the study by Daly and Wilson offers a crucial insight. It highlights the intersection of evolution, emotion, and behavior. It's a stark reminder of the complex nature of human psychology. This understanding can help us navigate our relationships and societal norms more effectively. It's a topic that's not only intriguing, but also deeply relevant to our everyday lives.